Hello, hello, bonsoir tout le monde. Je dis en parle montrer nous comment pour nous faire crème haïtien, aka Tikaròl, Haitian ice cream. So, je dis on a fait trois qualités. On a fait Karòl, on a fait grenadine mélangé à papaye avec mango et puis on a fait chocolat. So, pour on a commencé avec Karòl. Pour Karòl, on a utilisé ça aujourd'hui. C'est Goya soursop, so we're gonna use this one. You're gonna need that, and then you're gonna need I'm using the powder a little bit, and then I'm using vanilla essence. After that, you're gonna need milk. You can put whatever you want depending on the taste. So after that, I'm gonna use sugar. Okay, so we are going to start now. We're going to add the also I'm gonna put a little bit of the powder to see how it tastes first. Come on. You need to make sure you mix it so well. That's pretty good. For this one, you don't really need a lot of sugar because it tastes good. Unless you wanna add more sugar, but for that one, since you put the powder, I might not even need to use the sugar. Okay. So, pour nous, l'on fait, n'importe l'on fait, on mélange lait avec Karòl ou bien grenadine, n'importe ça lien, on besoin de glacer pour le pas tourner. So, nous allons mettre dans le frigidaire pour like maybe 20 minutes pour faire un petit fouet. So, pour nous mettre glace là, ok? So, nous allons tourner tout à l'heure. Avant ça, mettez un petit essence pour me babler. On va je mettre un pile ou qu'à mesurer la louche là. Ok. I'll make it in the frigidaire and I'm turning it over. Okay guys, okay, we back. So now we're gonna do the nous allons faire grenadine. So nous allons use frozen papaya.
Frozen papaya.
I'm using this one.
Yeah, because my mom's going to cook, right, mommy?
Mm-hmm.
One.
This is not food, no.
Huh?
That's not food.
What's that then? 2. 3. 100. 100. Close. Break it up.
We are going to add some milk.
Milk. Oh, yeah.
Stop, don't touch.
Okay.
We are going to add water.
Yeah, water.
Mommy,
Okay.
Not too much now.
Sorry, mommy.
A little bit.
A little bit, right, mommy?
Okay. This is so creamy.
Yes, this is so berry. So berry.
Test it.
Can I taste it too? Yeah.
Let me see your hand.
Mmm. That's
It's
good.
so good, guys. You don't even need to add anything else. It is so good.
Mmm.
Guess we're not using sugar today.
No. We using
So
sugar
we're
today?
gonna use a little powder.
Little powder. Little powder, little powder. Too much powder.
Yep, that was a lot.
Ugh.
I'll put more water.
More water. Don't grow it, don't grow it.
So now, let's pour it. I believe we need more than that.
We need more than that.
So I have to add more because I'm trying to fit out like 30 people. So this is for 30 people, y'all. So I have to put,
At church.
I have to put I have to make 3 different colors for 30 people. So let's see.
That's orange, right, mommy? That's orange, right?
So now we are going to use this to bite them. Let's see how it goes. Do, 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 do. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm going to have enough bag, but this is how you bag it. Ooh, fell. Nope. There you go. Okay, so that's all you have to do. One more. Make sure when you're doing it, you wash your hands, okay? Because As you can see, like my whole hand is like kind of in it. Make sure no lave menos pour ne pas manger saleté. So, yep, second one. Okay guys, we're back with the coleslaw. Now we're gonna add milk. With the coleslaw, you have to be careful. We'll start tuning on more. Okay. It's really good, guys. Just need this one needs some sugar. You can choose to measure your sugar. Quand choisir mesurer, quand choisir pas mesurer. But nous même nous connaissons nous même haïtiens, nous pas mesurer qu'une bataille. So. It's so good, y'all. To find a way to make it sweet. It is not sweet enough. Okay. I think it needs more milk. You wanna test this?
No, I don't like it. Which flavor is it, Mommy?
That's Karòl salt. Mommy, why you didn't you finish your juice?
I like Karòl, but
why you didn't finish that juice over there?
I was right in the floor.
Go finish it. Hurry up. I'm going to make. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to bite them again. Remember, that's the coleslaw flavor. I'm going to make this smaller because with the other one I didn't even get to make 10 because they were too big. So j'ai encore ça dépend de combien moun wa fit là. So pas besoin faire yo gros. Lastly, we're going to do the chocolate one. I'm gonna use hot cocoa, and I'm gonna use the breakfast chocolate. We need water. We need water. We need water. We're gonna add the chocolate. Some of the breakfast one. I tested to see we need sugar or no?
We need sugar.
Definitely.
We need sugar, Mommy.
Yes.
Can I help you, Mommy? Mommy, can I help you because I love you?
I know you love me. I love you too.
But I want to help you.
You want to help me?
Yes.
Good. No, gentle, Mama. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mommy, can you give me this?
To do what?
To put this into this.
That's enough.
Okay. You have to put sugar.
A little bit of vanilla essence. We're not gonna put too much.
No, because Mommy left me. Right, Mommy?
Then we're going to add some sugar.
Can I help you, Mommy? Mommy, give me this because I'm strong. Can I have some too? Can you put it in my bottle, please?
We'll go finish the other one. Okay, this one was not so complicated actually. That's it. So that was it, y'all. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.